Microsoft 365 versus WPS Office, choosing the right Office suite can completely change how you handle productivity without struggling with compatibility or features. Both offer essential tools but differ in approach and flexibility. Microsoft 365 and WPS Office are popular Office suites designed for document creation, spreadsheets, and presentations. The core difference lies in Microsoft 365's cloud integration and subscription model versus WPS Office's lightweight, free-to-use software with offline focus. Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based Office suite from Microsoft that includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more. It works by combining desktop applications with cloud services like OneDrive, enabling seamless collaboration and access across devices. Its strengths include robust feature sets, continuous updates, and deep integration with Windows and Microsoft Teams. Microsoft 365 supports real-time co-authoring, advanced data analysis tools, and extensive templates, making it ideal for professionals and businesses requiring powerful, scalable solutions. Limitations include the ongoing subscription cost and occasional complexity for casual users. It is best suited for those who need reliable cloud storage, collaboration, and access to the latest features regularly. Microsoft 365's ecosystem also supports enterprise-level security and compliance, making it a go-to choice for organizations prioritizing data protection and productivity. WPS Office is a lightweight, cost-effective Office suite developed by Kingsoft, offering writers, spreadsheets, and presentation apps. It operates primarily as a free or low-cost alternative, focusing on offline functionality with optional cloud storage. WPS Office supports Microsoft Office file formats, making it compatible with most documents. Its strengths include a clean interface, low system resource usage, and useful features like PDF editing and tab document viewing. However, it lacks the extensive cloud collaboration tools and enterprise integration found in Microsoft 365. WPS Office is ideal for individual users, students, and small businesses seeking a budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential Office functionalities. While it offers cloud syncing, it does not match the seamless multi-device experience of Microsoft 365. Users looking for simplicity and affordability with decent compatibility will find WPS Office a practical choice. Comparing Microsoft 365 and WPS Office reveals key trade-offs. Microsoft 365 excels in cloud collaboration, frequent updates, and enterprise-grade security, perfect for teams and professional environments. Its subscription cost reflects these advanced features. WPS Office offers a lightweight, affordable solution with strong offline capabilities and compatibility with Microsoft file formats, suited for users who prioritize cost savings and simplicity. For example, a remote team relying on real-time edits and cloud storage benefits from Microsoft 365, while a student or freelancer working mostly offline may prefer WPS Office to avoid subscription fees. Microsoft 365's integration with other Microsoft services adds value but can be overwhelming for casual users. WPS Office's interface is more straightforward but less feature-rich. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you need powerful collaboration and cloud tools, or a budget-friendly, efficient Office suite. For professionals and businesses needing advanced collaboration, security, and cloud access, Microsoft 365 is the superior choice despite its subscription cost. If affordability, lightweight design, and offline use are your priorities, WPS Office offers excellent value with solid compatibility. Choose it for straightforward Office tasks without the need for extensive cloud features. Both suites serve distinct needs, so pick what fits your workflow best.